Long time ago, a rich man was going to his daughter's house to meet her. His horse was also with him. It was afternoon. They were passing through a small village. Both the man and his horse were very tired. Now they had no strength to go further. Due to long and boring journey, they became very thirsty. But man did not have any water left with him. He started looking around. Just then he saw a well at some distance. He took his horse and came near to the well. He saw that a farmer was watering his fields using arhat from the well. Arhat was an old form of irrigation system in India, in which a wheel with an equipment was mounted on top of a well. Bullocks were tied to that wheel with help of a rope, and they used to rotate that wheel, and as the wheel rotated, water would flow out of the well and then flow through channels to irrigate the fields. The man requested the farmer to let me and my horse drink water. Farmer agreed and allowed both of them to drink water. After drinking the water himself, the man brought his horse near the channel so that his horse could drink water flowing through the channel. But as soon as the horse reached near the channel and tried to drink water by bowing his head down, it would get scared listening to the rattling sound of the arhat and go back. The horse would again go ahead and try to drink water from the channel, but again it would go back fearing the sound of the arhat. The traveler kept watching this for a while. Then he asked the farmer to stop his bullock for a while so that the rattling sound stops and his horse could drink water. The farmer smiled and replied, "My friend, as soon as my bullock stops, water will also stop coming from the well, and then your horse will not be able to drink water. Therefore, if your horse has to drink water, then it will have to drink it while bearing with the rattling sound from the machine. Otherwise, it will remain thirsty." Man understood what the farmer said. He lovingly stroked his horse's back and then led him near the channel. Finding his owner with him, the horse's fear disappeared and it drank the water easily. If we see in our life, we will find that this is the story of all of us. Our life is also just like that. In today's hectic life, we are so busy from morning till evening that we do not get time to live the moments of happiness in our life. Every day, all of us have to face new challenges and new difficulties in our life. Some people think that when they will get retired, then they will enjoy their life. And sometimes they think when all of their responsibilities will be over, then they will think about their life according to their choice. Often, we all think that only when the hustle and bustle of life stops, then we will enjoy our life. But what we think often does not happen. Life will always keep busy and new challenges and difficulties will always be there. But like in this story, the farmer said to the man, "If your horse has to drink water, then it will have to drink it while bearing the rattling sound of the machine. Otherwise, it will remain thirsty." Similarly, if we have to enjoy our life, then we have to live those moments of happiness in the midst of this hustle and bustle of life. Otherwise, our life will keep passing slowly and slowly, and you will miss to enjoy the important time of your life. Therefore, while doing all the work, while fulfilling all the responsibilities, try to take out some time for yourself every day and do what you enjoy in that time. Spending some time alone in the nature and spending some time with your family and friends. Do whatever you enjoy doing in your life. Live life like it is a celebration. One day, when you will look back, you will find that life was meant to be enjoyed and celebrated, but you have wasted it worrying for things and did not really matter in your life.